Gloucester was a major steam centre with two large depots, 85B, a former Great Western shed, and 22B, a former LNS one.
Follow my adventures by subscribing below, hit that bell to stay notified, and let's adventure, let's explore, and let's create.
85B was the largest and can be seen in the distance beyond Gloucester Eastgate Station. It comprised a large 10-track shed complex with tramway junction on its south side and extensive sidings all round.
How are we doing, guys? So we're back for another video. Today we're at abandoned railway sheds. So I'm joined with Sam at Top Abandoned Places and Nathan from TAZER URBEX. Just a bit behind me, I've jumped over a fence to which they've chosen not to climb over and trying to find another way in. So they'll be joining me in a minute. But I'm here, guys. We're near a main road, so I'm going to get off. I'm going to get in. Let's go. There's a lot of pigeons and doves in here, guys. So fortunately, no trains. Just a lot of bird feathers. I don't know exactly what this was. Oh, the birds. I wouldn't like to go in that. Ugh. Here, guys, would have been where they would have fixed all of the trains, maintained them. A bit like a car garage, but for a train. You see, it would have come in here on the tracks, and then underneath is where they would have done all the maintenance, engineering, whatever needs to be done. So I'm not exactly sure what these sort of pieces of machinery are called. If you do know, guys, let us know in the comments below. Clearly something to do with trains. Eggshell there, guys. The joys of urban exploring. What people don't see. I know, I thought that. There's no train, unfortunately. And bloody birds are doing my head in up there, though. You can see us. I know. So, Taser and Sam have now joined me in, along with all of the birds flying above. So, guys, if you've not seen Taser's channel, check him out. We'll attach the links below. Same goes for Sam. Sam's the Top Abandoned Places. Check out his links below. We've got a full weekend ahead of us this weekend, along with a camp as well. It should be good, and we've got perfect weather for it. It's boiling.
covered over by nature.
There guys, you can see where the old trains used to come up, park up to. But there's no sort of cemented over the tracks now, it looks like. All the newer tracks on this side. Train's about to pass now. That's what we've just been in there, guys. There's some more up at the back. See if there's anything over here. There's a drum kit for Guitar Hero over here. Yeah.
Oh yeah. I always wanted one of those. Now I can have one for one.
I'm pretty sick on it, mate. I've got one at home. I'm good on the guitar as well.
I used to quite like with guitar. I used to play that quite a lot when I was younger.
It's not like playing the real guitar though, is it? Totally different.
Oh, it's Guitar Hero stuff, isn't it?
Hard hat. Oh, it's so hot today.
If you were re-slot, I'm guessing.
Yeah, it's like a crane sort of thing.
Yeah. This looks like an old field camp.
Yeah.
See where the trains need fuel.
Yeah. Well, they don't anymore. They've made them all electric, haven't they?
But they did need fuel.
Yeah.
Was it like when there were steam trains? They would need what was it when they need to fill them up with water?
Yeah, yeah.
Well, not fuel pump, a water pump.
Oh.
That tells about how many gallons of water went into the train, I'm guessing.
Cool, guys. There's also these little sort of sheds here as well, guys, but these are sort of fully sealed. I imagine there's not much in there to see. They may have been anyway. There's a few more there as well. See that guy. What do you reckon this would have been here then?
Oh, would have been what is it like midday rain? So if it's midday rain, that's why it's so damn hot. Yeah, I'm not going to put my coat back on.
I need to take this jumper off. Boiling.
I need to get another drink. This one's warm.
Okay guys, that's about it for this one. Only a short video. Some abandoned railway sort of garages. That's the best thing for them, I don't know. I'm not the biggest on knowledge of trains, but interesting nevertheless. Hope you enjoyed the video then, guys. As always, if you do like my content, the best way you can give me a helping hand, as I'm a small channel growing, is share. And until the next video, guys, keep adventuring. See you on the next video.